Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Rogue with its remote. First, make sure your vehicle is completely locked. This is a crucial safety feature for the remote start system. Next, locate the remote start button on your key fob. It often looks like a circular arrow. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the lights flash, indicating the engine has started. Remember, your Rogue must be in park for this to function correctly. Understanding the range of your remote start is important. Generally, it works within 100 to 200 feet, but this can vary based on environmental factors. Large buildings or other vehicles might interfere with the signal, reducing the effective distance. Once started, your Nissan Rogue's engine will run for approximately 10 minutes. If you don't enter the vehicle and press the brake pedal within this time, it will automatically shut down for safety. If your remote start isn't working, don't worry, there are a few common things to check. First, verify that your key fob battery isn't low. A weak signal can prevent activation. Also, confirm that all doors, the hood, and the trunk are securely closed. The system won't engage if any are ajar. For some Nissan Rogue models, the climate control settings need to be preset before you turn off the car for them to activate with remote start. For added convenience, you can often extend the engine run time by simply repeating the remote start process before the initial 10 minutes expire. This can give you more time to get ready on a cold morning. Additionally, some newer Nissan Rogue models integrate with a smartphone app, offering even more advanced remote start capabilities and vehicle monitoring. Be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof, meal prep containers, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.